Classe365 facilitates online learning via the LMS module. To go here, simply click Modules, Academics and Learnings, then LMS. You can see all the names of your children enrolled in school. When you select a child, all the subjects that she is taking will be listed out. Let's select the subject for now. This is the LMS page for this subject. Here you can access the different content and learning tools available for your child. Let's start with Flip Class. In this section, you can see the subject outline prepared by the teacher. Different contents are uploaded as well. Click on an icon to see what's in store. Having access to this content, you can closely guide your child's progress. You can also navigate through the uploaded files in this page. Moving on to discussions, you can see here what's going on in the social learning space. Class updates can also be posted here every now and then. Now in this section, it reflects all the assessments required for this subject. You can also see the details of each assessment here. There can also be online quizzes set for this subject. Quizzes which are made live are displayed here. When you view a quiz, you can see its components as well as your child's test results. Resources are other uploaded files made by the teacher. Just click on it to download. Lastly, live lectures are made for online classes. It is integrated with Zoom. You can join the scheduled class by clicking on this link. That's it for Classe365's LMS. Just reach out here for support or clarifications from your admin or teacher. Thank you for watching!